good cars on their way. There's a couple from the World of Outlaws coming, so that'll be fun.
We actually race for it if we don't get it.
All right, welcome back everyone. We're headed to Muskingum tonight for the Jim Dunn Memorial Race. We're getting ready to load the car and ready to go.
This car's going to the trailer.
Gotta get that stuff in there first.
What the you guys been doing? Wait until the last minute, they ain't getting it. Boy, ran out of straight. Huh? You ran out of straight. You quit on me.
Quit on you?
You quit on me. You know it's spinning?
Oh my God, look at this back.
Looks like it's kicking your butt.
This might be too heavy for you.
Oh, okay.
Why we got these? You got 2 shirts in this thing. That takes too much common sense.
How many's that one got in it? Timmy is in the rush shop today.
Me, I'm telling you, you don't get in
It's
there.
12 o'clock.
You're gonna be in back in the back. Look at them tires. See, we parked right there in that mud.
Hey!
Hey, hold on.
Tim's up there holding the tire right now. He's staying busy up there. LL Cool J.
Got it in there.
Oh, we got a four-wheeler in there.
Hey Caiden, how easy is it to scrap that car?
What's he saying? Should be good. Shouldn't go nowhere.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, I don't know. It probably will, but it'd be alright.
Will it?
Yeah, probably. Ain't going that far, so we'll be fine. Alright, so we made it to Muskingum. There's a lot of good cars on their way. There's a couple from the World of Outlaws coming, so that'll be fun to dabble my feet in there with them. So we'll just see how it goes, and we're ready to hit the track. So last night it was very high speed, high rush, and we weren't very able to get many talking clips because we were so in a rush of doing things. So I qualified 14th out of 18th in Group A, which not what we were hoping, but we dealt with it. Threw the whole kitchen sink at it and made a bunch of changes for the heat race. After the heat race, I told my crew that the car just spun its tires and didn't have no traction and no side bite or nothing, so we tried to figure out what was wrong, and we threw some stuff at it and went on. The B main was only like 8 laps because they told us that there was not enough cars on the next B main to run, and they were all transfer anyway, so we only ran like 6 or 8 laps. So I tried to get up as many spots as I could and missed the show by 1 spot. Thank you guys for watching.
And like and subscribe. Done.